What, shaking guys? Tristan Lucky here. Welcome back to another episode of How to Survive. About to say 7 days to die. Different game. Yeah. We are still playing as Jack. Jack? Yes, Jack. The giant Jack Black firefighter? Yes. And let's continue. For a split second there, I thought I just hit new story. I just had this hot moment of, no, I don't want to study. Where's the best place to sleep? Secure shelter. Yeah. I'm really close to my TV. Gonna scoot back a little bit. Alright. This is where we left off last time. Okay, I've got my gun. I haven't actually played this since about a week and a bit ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. Because I'm super duper smart. Bam.
Come on, you need to fire the...
Don't tell me what to do, mate. I repaired this in the last thing, didn't I? Ooh. Ooh. Wait, select. No. Arrows, gun. I'm just trying to go through my inventory because I can't remember what's what. Yeah, okay, that's inventory button, reload button. That's the go to the other island button. Homo Island. Which one of these weapons is the most silent? Bow. 15 XP! Ooh! Oh no, I wanted to answer that one. It took too long to load. Take. Sweet. No, take. Tire strap. Cool. That's a thing. Brave to battle. Fresh meat. Whoa. What?
Here's our tanker. Our rescue and salvation. I know it don't look like much, but it's gonna do the job. Trust me. I guess.
Cool. Oh, that's great. No, I didn't know it freaking filled one with fuel, you butt. You know what, bud? Fuck you in particular. Oh, it's that damn monkey. What's up, funky monkey? Handmade stabilizer. Thought that said sanitizer. I'm like, how does a pitchfork make sanitizer? Alright, talk to the monkey, What?
Very hungry.
Cooked fish, eh? How about no? How about I make that for me? Blah, 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 blah. Sorry, I went quiet next. I was trying to figure out how to use my inventory again. Holy crap. All my stats are just in the shitter. Okay, I'm going to run back to here. So I can just... Yeah, stop you guys getting in here. I need... water? Oh, I should have just had that. I'm done. Cassava root. Cassava root. Rock, cassava, rock the cat. Damn it! I'm sorry, that just gets stuck in my head and I forget I'm playing this with sometimes people listening, and then I feel real dumb. Ooh, more ammo. I don't have skill points while I'm looking at that. So, map. So, walk up into the island. Ooh, a person. These are peoples. Go away. Yeah. Somebody think you could fuck with me? You cannot fuck with me. Pow. Oh no, I forgot about these ones. Ew. Ew, you're all gross. You look like crappy tropical island zombies. Oh, speaking of more zombie things, I was checking out some trailers that I'd seen at E3 earlier this year. I'd seen online. Ow! Stop that! I can't even see them. Help me, Kovac.
Kovacs
Kovac
rules.
rules.
Chapter 10.
Fishing.
Fishing.
Yes.
Any
We
good
fish.
fisherman will tell you the best times for fishing are at daybreak,
Hell yeah!
when the sun goes down.
Hell yeah!
Hell
Nothing is
yeah.
guaranteed at other times of the day.
But dude, free boot. Like, if I went fishing and I caught a boat, I think I'd actually probably be a little impressed. Just, I found a goddamn boat while fishing. Yeah, no. Don't interrupt my boot fishing. No, why am I not igniting that? Yeah, eat shit. Bone blade. Twin sticks boomerang. How do I box? I don't want to talk to this person. I want to cook my meat. Yeah, cook that meat real good. Damn, straight I will. And then I think I can eat it. I am now full of food. And a happy little camper. Alright, who's this?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Does anyone read me?
Yes.
Answer, please. This is the sign.
Ah,
God, Henry, it worked. Please help us.
Blah, blah,
I have a-
blah. He
He
got
was
zapped
attacked by
by
He's been
monsters.
electrocuted. We need help
I
immediately.
assume.
We are on the
Homo
island of Porto,
Island.
to the east.
I'm an inappropriate person. I don't know why people are friends with me. I know why they're friends with me, because I'm awesome. Flaming stick. Ooh, what's that? Yeah. Screw you guys. Yeah, I set you all on fire. Is that a crocodile? I'm gonna fight a crocodile. Nope, 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 I'm not gonna fight a crocodile. I'm not smart. Go away. Go away. No, crocodile, I'm sorry. No, crocodile, no. Save me, Steve Owen. Save me. Crap. Oh no, he won't leave me alone. I don't know how to change weapons. He's wrecking my day. It's okay, I got plenty of medkits anyway. Oh, no I don't. No I don't. That was my last one. Oh, never mind. Combine. 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 Well, at least I'm a little safer. I would attach a freaking machete. No. No, fuck off. Stop spamming me. This is not the game I want to play. Go away. Steve Owen, why have you forsaken me? Nah, I'm running this way. What's still chasing me? I can't remember how to equip a gun. Go away, go away, go away, go away. No. Is this how the other guy lost a leg? Oh no, I'm so bad at this. I want to run him through a crowd of zombies. Oh, you stupid cripple, you got in my way. Yeah, fight the zombies. Oh, this is just getting dumb. That was really irritating. I'm taking that meat. Get out of here, zombies. We're not friends. Do you have a mission for me that you've not told me of till now?
Yeah, let
What?
me fill the tank with gas. Oh, shit. Seriously?
What's the other
Battery
problem?
and cables for the plane are missing. Who would take that shit?
Someone smart who
no
wouldn't want to
sense.
get left behind when we
cannot
came
escape
back.
without a battery?
That's who take the
I
battery
bet
and
you
cables.
Go after it. Maybe we'll find it and
East side of the
go there,
island.
bring back the battery and the cables.
Blur, blur,
So I'd
blur.
have to do
Hey, can you go do this real dangerous thing that I haven't actually guaranteed you a place on the safe thing yet? Jerk butt. Go cook some meat on the fire. Wow, I took that guy's head out. Can I cook these? Yes. Cook all the things. Can I combine... No, I'm not hungry anyway. I'm not really injured. Okay. Suppose I should actually go and do something now. And I don't need my torch on. Just go do this. And maybe this time I won't. Oh, there's so much fog. I don't like it. Flint! Yes! What is this? Ah, no! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! That is... Anyway, sorry, I was talking about it earlier. The, E3 stuff I was watching. Yeah, I rewatched the trailer for Days Gone, and God, that looks good. Check it out if you get a chance. The trailer for Days Gone. Yeah, screw you, little zombie. Just, it looks like utter chaos, and there's so many zombies. They become one massive, just a mass of zombies. Like, this ain't a horde. A horde is fightable. Go away, zombie. Yeah, chasing you. Yeah, set you on fire, mate. How's your life going? Nowhere. Crap, I need to find somewhere safe. Why is there no spots to sleep in this island? Slash, oh, I found a thing for my herbarium. Okay, where's the nearest? Okay, I'm gonna go up that way. Through, so I'm just gonna run. Taking your stick. This looks like the way to go. I hope. Da-na-na. Oh, you guys with the big heavy vests. I can take your vests. Where am I going? Where am I going? Shoot, I don't know where I'm going. Hit this guy, and you get a hit with a fire stick. It's my disco trick. With a fire stick. You'll all fall down. You all always fall down. Character's like about to pass out and go to sleep. Oh, go away. Iron stick. Why are you still running at me? The zombies should be dead by now. Thank you. Oh no. Whoa, no, I know what that is. God, for a second there I thought I was screwed. I don't want to kill this. Aha. Oh no. Aim at him. Aim at him. Shoot him. Shoot him in the belly. Make him go blech. There is. Yes! Oh, there's a camp fortress up ahead. Yes. I was getting worried. Thought I was going to die. I might still. Did you drop? Jesus. Okay. Okay. You ready? You're ready. There's not really point in lighting that. Daytime anyway. I can't remember the buttons for just switching weapons in combat. What do I combine that with? Yeah, not a whole lot of much. Quit. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. No, you dickhead! No! Oh wait, can I get back up this way? Screw you guys. Take this leather strap, this is mine now. Can I climb back up? really, but I can go back around. Yay. Stupid thing. Stupid tropical storms. Making the storms. Do I go this way? Yes, I believe so. Oh! Of course you're not going to let me change weapons properly. Where am I going? Yeah. I'm sorry about the sound of me spamming the button, but Jesus. I'm gonna die. Oh, fucking. Oh, you stupid freaking. You fell off the ledge and. Oh. Try not to rage too hard. Ah. Why was that selected? Stupid freaking jerry can. No, why is the torch still on? That's a waste of power. Also, why did it randomly change weapons finally? Because it would have been nice for it to happen way earlier. Oh my god, this is the start of the freaking area. Are you kidding me? Oh, fuck's sake. Equip. Fuck you, fat bastard. Yeah. And then equip, because it won't fucking switch them properly in the game. You can just fight these guys normally. Fuck you all. Fuck. Fucking get out of it, you fucking things. Why is there so many of them? Ah. No, shit. Try and look at my fucking timer. Die, dickhead. And you're the major fucking problem here. You're the reason I died in the last one. Screw you. Tell I've gotten a little salty about this. Alright. So, switch back weapons. Equip. Try and go back the right way. I gotta get up there again. Ah, it was irritating as hell. Fell off, just fell off. It was great. Super great. Just fall off. No, fuck off, lightning. I believe it's this way. Don't fall off again, you dickhead. Drink some water, make you feel better. Great. About to just pass out asleep on the floor. Don't do it, thank God. Oh, take fork. Cool, don't really care about the wooden bow. Med kit, lead tube, sleep. Thank God. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. Why is it still raining? Why would you just sleep under cover? Oh, no. No, I'm trapped in here. So, in my salty nature, I might leave it there for now. This episode's gone over a little longer than I thought it would. But, yeah. I'm Drifter Lucky. Thank you guys for watching so much. And I will catch you guys later. Stay safe out there.
Oh.